Okay, folks. Right. Bismillah. Okay, folks, welcome back to another video. We're looking at move forming equations. So we have, for example, question number 1 says 7 is 5 times smaller than this number. What we're looking at here is how we change this statement in English into mathematics. Okay. So here we go. Here's the 7. The word is means equals to. It says 5 times smaller than this number. Well, the number that we don't know, we're going to call it x. To make this number 5 times smaller, we divide it by 5. Even though they use the word 5 times, but because they've coupled the word times with smaller, it actually means division. So 7 is 5 times smaller. So it's divided by 5, this number. So there's our original equation. And we've got to work out the value of x. X has been divided by 5. So we're now going to solve it now. Opposite divided by 5 is time by 5. So the final answer is 35 is equal to x. Right. Let's have a look at the next question. 200 is 10 times larger than this number. So here's the number. We're going to make it 10 times larger. So the equation becomes 200 equals x times by 10. Okay. So here's the 200. Here's the is. And the 10 times larger is over here. And this number is over there. Okay. Now, we need to solve it. So the opposite. So we start at the x. So 200 is x times by 10. Opposite time by 10 is divide by 10. So 200 divided by 10, we knock off a 0. So the final answer is 20 is equal to x. Okay, you look happy with that? But the next question. So we say 360 goes here, 360 is equal 10 times larger than this number. So 10 times this number. Done. 360 is 10 times larger than this number. We multiply it by 10. Now, so what we're going to do now, we have to solve this equation. So we start with the x. X has been time by 10. Opposite time by 10 is divide by 10. So 360 divided by 10, we remove a 0, which gives us a final answer of 36. And that one's done. Okay, here comes the next question. So 9 is 4 times smaller than this number. So here we go. Here comes the 9. And here comes the is. To make a number 4 times smaller, the word times and smaller together makes a division. So 4 goes on the bottom. This number is the x on the top. So the question reads 9 equals x divided by 4. We have to solve for the value of x. X has been divided by 4 on this side. Opposite divided by 4 is time by 4. So 36 is equal to x. And we have solved the equation. Thank you very much for joining us in this video. Please join us again on another video.